Across the sands beneath old skies, where ancient truths and legends lie, we walk the path hand in hand through temple stone and sacred land. Whispers rise from hallowed halls, chants that echo through the walls. Symbols speak in light and flame, each with heart and holy name. Sacred journeys through the veil of time. Sacred journeys in the earth's own rhyme. We trace the fire, the form, the key. Sacred journeys where old truths run deep. From Viking rune to chapel bell, in every rite a tale to tell. Lotus blooms and candles burn, in every faith a soul returns. Golden incense, water, wine, circles drawn in holy line.
Now, something that I've noticed straight away in this church that is extraordinary is it has a single pillar which is spiral shaped, just like the apprentice pillar in Rosslyn Chapel in Scotland.
Not just relics, not just art, but echoes of the human heart. In every faith a yearning grows for peace and truth that spirit knows.